Hey guys, welcome back to Techogram. Today we're going to learn the fourth method in our CP scheduling series, which is priority scheduling. So let's get started. So the question is, so in priority scheduling there are also two types. First is the non-primitive and second is primitive. So this will be the primitive type question. And now what is priority scheduling? In priority scheduling you can see in the question there is no arrival time but the priority time. So this means that in the question it will be stated that whether the lower number is of higher priority or the largest number is of higher priority. So in this we will take the lower number as the highest priority. So 1 will be the highest priority. And in this you have to suppose that the arrival time of all the process is 0 and you have to process the request according to the priority. So first as usual we have to make a Gantt chart. So the Gantt chart is here and as usual the Gantt chart starts from 0. Now because there is no arrival time and as I said the arrival time of all this process will be 0 by default. So now we have to see the priority of the task and you can see as the lower number is the highest priority means 1 is having the highest priority. So we will take the P2. As this is a non-primitive method, once the process is started we cannot replace it by another process of smaller burst time because it's a non-primitive. So first we will take our P2. So P2 and the burst time is 1, so we will take from 0 to 1. Now we have to see the another second highest priority. So after 1 there will be 2, so now P5. So the P5 process and the burst time is 5, so the 1 plus 5 will be 6. Now P5 is over. The third, so the third priority is, you can see there are two processes with the priority 3. So you have to take the process according to the chronological order. So in this the P1 came first because it's on the upper side, so we will take the P1 first. And now because the burst time is 10, so the 6 plus 10 will be 16. And now P1 is over. And then we have to take the second process with the priority 3. So then P3. So then P3 and the burst time is 2. So 16 plus 2 will be 18. Then the remaining process is P4. P3 is over and we have to write the P4. And 18 plus 1 will be 19. So this is how we made our Gantt chart. Now we have to find as usual the starting time, waiting time, finish time and the turnaround time. So here we'll find starting time, waiting time, finish time and turnaround time. As I said in my all previous videos, you have to look for the left side for the starting time and from the right side for the finish time. So from the left side you can see the P2 started on 0 because the left side is 0. So the P2 started on 0. Now the P5 started on 1, so write 1. Then the P1 started on 6. Then P3 started on 16 and the P4 started on 18. And then we have to find the finish time because to find the waiting time we have to subtract the starting time by the finish time. So finish time minus starting time will be our waiting time. So now from the right side you can see the P4 ended on 19, so write 19 in front of P4. Then the next process is P3 which ended on 18, so write 18. Then next is P1 which ended on 16, so write 16. And then the P5 which ended on 6, so write 6. And then the P2 which ended on 1. Now you can find the waiting time by just subtracting. So 16 minus 6 will be 10, 1 minus 0 will be 0, 18 minus 16 will be 2, 19 minus 18 will be 1 and 6 minus 1 will be 5. So now to add this, the answer will be 10 plus 2. 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 0 will be, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 5 will be 19. And now to find the turnaround time, the formula is finish time minus the arrival time. So the finish time is this and the arrival time, we have no arrival time. As I said in the question, the arrival time is default 0. So we have to just write because 16 minus 0 will be 16. And then again the same thing. So the finish time will be same as the arrival time. So the turnaround time will be same as the finish time and now we have to add all this. So 16 plus 1 will be 17, plus 18 will be 35, plus 19 will be 54, plus 6 will be 60. And now in the question it will be asked how to find the average waiting time. So to find the average waiting time, take the sum of waiting time divided by the number of process. So the waiting time is 19 divided by 15. So the answer will be 3.8 millisecond. and the average turnaround time will be sum of turnaround time divided by number of process. So the sum is 60, processes are 5, and the answer will be 12 millisecond. So this is the non-primitive type of finding the priority scheduling in CPU scheduling method. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any question, comment, query or suggestion, leave that in the comment box. Subscribe for more. Bye.